and a Pico.
Ooh. Going back in. Proline racing engines. Engine built by Billy Briggs Racing Engines. Respect. Picked up yesterday by Chris Rankin and Frank Ott. We did a 16-hour trip in about 12 and a half hours, Mountain Free, in the Lamborghini Huracan, twin turbo, custom setup. Sat right on the roof. Sitting on the road. Park 80 with Proline to the top. Should that be in it? Just kidding. Cleaning that old red Loctite off these clutch plate bolts. God knows everything on these supercharged heavies got Loctite in.
Got the injectors going in, intake. Got Pico working on tail light. Intake on, slap her in.
Dude, I know it's your cheat day. I got you a cookie.
Do not.
It's fucking warm.
You're gonna try to change the subject too.
Y'all don't need to know my love life.
Nobody's actually met her yet.
I know you went to men after your 12th kid.
Yeah.
We're actively looking for new sponsors. I'm very calm right now, I'm tired, but I'm normally a super high strong guy, full of energy, never tired, once a day. Slam one of these, and you're mucho bueno. Más fuerte. All time.
Master of languages.
I tell you, good. They're so good. They're so good. To me, it's like a shot. You know, you got sucked into them.
Yeah.
This little sucker would steal my damn 5
really?
energies. Yeah. So I can tell you right now, I'm definitely a good advocate and spokesperson for these units.
Yeah, no doubt.
So look.
So you want 5-hour energy sponsor?
Yeah, absolutely. And, you know, you're proof in the pudding that they're loved. So you get the, you know, the chance to abuse them. So look, I'll hit them a little bit, a little swig.
I hit the whole thing.
No. I used to slam them, but I love the flavor in it, and I gotta like savor it for a minute.
Yeah.
I gotta run this harness back here. Tie this in here. This is FT Spark. Take all these, line these all back up. Take all these loose, and get this up here. Okay.
Yeah.
Like that, nice neat. One around here. Here. Got it? All right, buddy. Well, and then get that, don't forget that sensor and the cable tie back there.
Do it again. I gotta take this carbon panel off.
So,
You're not gonna believe it.
what?
Could we have possibly Could we have possibly put the plate on wrong? Oh my God, I don't know. No, this is right. Well, how's it hitting me?
See how everything went to like oh my God, like so quiet. Like holy.
Very
Like it was like a moment of tension there for a second. You know? In my shop, a lot of shit would have been flying. And you would have heard a lot of Spanish cursing.
Well, hold on, I ain't got to that point yet.
yeah. Just wait.
I'm hoping that ain't the I'm pretty sure we're okay. I don't know what's going on now. I don't understand what the hell's going on. No, dude, that's right. How's it not going in? Like, what in the freak am I missing?
It's crazy how you can fit the whole fist through the whole intake runner. Like, what is this? Like what the hell? Like, there's like 2 ports or 3 of my LS engine. Fit the whole head. Look. Hola. Look. Hola. Wow.
Hold on, I'll get you some more clean. We use the Weavers CarQuest.
It's not even a rag.
If you're looking for sponsors, we're looking for sponsors. We use a lot of it.
I'm going to give you a paycheck.
Who knows? Daddy probably will this, you know?
There will be a paycheck with a sponsor, you know?
Oh, you fit the whole head in there. That's something.
Is this Weaver?
Tomato, tomato.
Isn't it wherever?
Wherever.
Oh my God, guys, you're not going to believe it.
Oh my God.
Oh God, not again.
Starter in. Now the bolt won't go in that starter. I get going. Let me try.
I start filming myself so I can keep my composure together, so I don't start snapping out. You know what I mean?
What's that?
I said I'm gonna start filming myself so I keep myself together, right?
Yeah, Chris is doing pretty good over
That's what
there.
I'm trying to tell you. You read what I was saying? I don't think if that camera was on, I think it was something else going on here.
Some curse words doing real good.
You're politically correct.
What did you guys say?
We said since the camera's going, you're kind of mellow right now.
Yeah.
So I said I'm gonna start filming myself when I start working so I don't snap out.
My vibe is even though I'm running into little issues, they're gonna come together for me. That's my vibe as I've been running through these little problems so far.
Good. Keep that vibe.
Down with the wrong list for that. Ryan Martin put a motor in 30 minutes, done, start, turn key. I can't get started in. I don't like that. I'll push pressure on it. You do top. Super awkward spot with this.
Yeah.
Get the gun with the extension. Use the 3/8 gun.
I think the last time I did it, I had to use a long, like real
Yeah,
long.
that'll work. Right there will work. Just you can use a long one, but the gun, you can get it with the gun from right there too.
Okay, let me find the gun.
We got to pull the fuel filter out and clean it, and we got to pull the oil filter out and clean it. What's that? Well, we'll do it in a second. I'm just saying which one. This one here and this one, bottom of this one.
I think this, the last time I did this, you told me to quit whining because it can't be that hard.
Why that?
I'm pretty sure.
It sounds like me.
Find it?
Call it red in there. What is that? Huh. What is that? Black. Brown. More in there. Alright, that's what I'm taking. Rubber seal looks like.
Yeah, right.
Oh, it's that cover gasket. The other one came apart. Yeah, it's rubber. It's got hard from methanol.
Yeah. Wow.
Here, why don't we spin that one off the bottom
And clean it.
clean it all out. So we cleaned this. We were at the last race and we were in a hurry to put a filter on because it was somebody found a leak. It was leaking. So I pulled it apart. Oh, I cleaned it and I pulled it apart, but I guess I didn't get it really tight. And I guess when I put this back in, this thing got cocked and I crushed it. So a little bit of a filtration issue there.
You think?
Maybe a little bit of a flow problem. I don't know. But that was
But we didn't blow the motor up.
definitely corkscrews.
That's all clean on there.
I'm not happy about that situation. I'm literally about to have
Gotta be somewhere.
It's like the most pressing issue of the day.
it's very
All right, everybody, stop what you're doing. Look for the 5-hour
Yeah,
energy.
please forget the car.
car.
My God.
We don't care about the motor going
6
in.
almonds and 5-hour energy shots.
That's a whole food pyramid right there.
Where did you put it after you did your little video?
I don't know.
He was over by the. Over
I had it in my goddamn coat.
Probably still in your hoodie.
Dang. Can't be having this man. Gotta play games with goddamn 5-hour energy now.
Is your
Damn.
You know,
This is like
that's
somebody.
some fucking fighting shit right there, you know?
It's like somebody
It's
losing.
like
their-
somebody stealing your cigarettes.
Yeah.
You know, you got a stash, you guys think you're being funny.
It's right here. Literally the whole time.
You're hiding it, you're laying on it.
I just happened to look down.
I didn't say there was a reward, by the way.
All right, everybody get back to work.
We gotta get this out of the way.
Yeah. Where's it gonna be?
We got, because the way the valve cover right now.
I
would do all 4 corners.
Yeah. I got those two. Those two kind of snug. Just, I didn't get tight. I just went down until it started touching.
Chris,
Yes, sir.
use your other eye.
I'm trying.
Chris, pull your pants up. Underwear crack hills.
Mile right now.
Definitely would not say you're in that category. Sir.
God didn't bless me back there. They put it on the front side.
Poor God didn't bless you anywhere.
Got a case of no acetol.
Yes.
You left your ass in the other pants.
Yes.
Well, he's got it, so he's gonna do that one. So we got the ground on this one for the FT Spark. Got to do the ground for, all right, so I need the dikes. Give me a set of dikes, Chris. For the cam sync. Crank sync. For some reason I think I cut a wire, and I don't remember what I cut here. I don't remember. This is the wire. I gotta find where that wire went, guys. That's what I gotta find. Was that a ground? Using this, this is cable tied up. We don't use this.
Yeah.
I think this was kind of just keeping cable tied up out of the way.
I was gonna, cable tie it to the throttle and get you blaming on Adam.
That'd be some bullshit.
It's not me. Oh, now I smell it. Was that you?
Sure did. I think that was you.
Was that you? That was bad. That is a bad one.
Sorry, what was that? Royal Farms chicken.
Don't think he's that quick.
Sure doesn't. Let me eat pizza and let me show you what happens.
TPS. Now how about let's you eat pizza and let's not see what happens.
Way out here. Hey, reach. You got here.
Guess we ain't getting a Royal Farms sponsorship.
Still ain't hammering. Now you gotta get the full effect.
And the thing above
Alright,
it.
so then turn the nut up, twist the nut. Up, install a cam next, okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Done. Feel that?
Is that it?
Yep. Nice and easy.
Oh. Hold on.
Got it? Good. Nice and easy. Cam, nice and easy. Yep.
Got it. Thank God for the camera guy.
Yeah, thank God for the camera guy.
That's all right. No applause, please. Just throw money.
Pocket. There you go. There you go.
Alright.
You need
The EDTs?
yeah, EDT. I don't know if both sides are done or not.
Okay.
Good old methanol in the wound.
Put that glove in the asphalt. Double team, triple team, quadruple team.
Everybody wrenching.
Good old fresh Fraggle line sent out to us. Only need a couple. That we got a little on a little bit of a precarious angle. So they sent us some fresh stuff. Get done. It's all Race Right Pro lines, guys. It's bad shit. You guys have really nice race car stuff. That's the line I want to use. It's super easy to work with. Really cool.
You got a low pressure line over here too.
Oh shit, man, that's gonna be tough to get to. Basically what I'm gonna do is check the ohms on the old wires, which the old wires were not presenting problems. Ohm them out, keep the spares in the trailer, and then we'll make sure that this one ohms out about the same. Obviously, the shorter you get, the less amount of ohms, the longer to get more ohms, more resistance. The longer you are, more resistance, the shorter you are, less resistance. But usually when a bad wire goes bad, it'll have a ton of resistance. So this one was supposed to read out at like 90. It would read out at 450, and it's about right. So we're gonna make new wires. Some guys run these Hemis perfect. Run these Hemis or run these wires 6 seasons. I don't know. I've run them usually 2 motor refreshes, and I put a new set about 60, 65 runs. I put a new set of wires on. Just works the mental, security of knowing that the wire's good. We'd always check resistance on the wires when we take the old ones off and put the new ones on. Sometimes it varies with the new ones. It seems like sometimes the new ones will be a hair higher than the old. I don't know why. If it's something to do with just way they're manufactured, or dryness, or I don't know. Moisture, I don't know. Yeah. But we had one out of the factory that was bad on this end. Wasn't working at all. So
From the factory?
From the factory.
Wow, believe that.
But it wasn't the end we clipped on. It was on the
Then they clipped on the factory.
Factory end, yeah.
Sorry, MSD. Sorry.
It's just happens sometimes. But
Yeah.
I don't know. But we good now.
Good thing we double check, triple check, quadruple check.
Yep.
You have to in this world. If you don't, good luck.
Yep. That's secondary.
Yeah.
Primary. The looser we let the valve lash, the less the valve will open, the less the car will perform. The louder the noise will be, the more it'll beat the valve up, the more it'll beat the lash cap up.
I know Birdman runs this shit tight.
So we're gonna go down. Which one we got now? We did. So we're gonna now wait for the intake to almost close. I'm gonna set the exhaust. Set it at 8th thou. Hold. Come in here. Back it off the hair. Turn it down. Let's snug it. Hold the Allen key. Roll this as a little torque wrench. LSM torque wrench. LSM torque wrench. Now we're at 8. We're gonna go to 8 now. Exhaust starts to open. We're gonna back off intake just a hair. We'll stay on there. That in there, snug it down a hair. Hate to say it, but the only one on my crew that can do this other than me is my son Caden. He's in college now. Crew chief's gonna learn how to do it this year though. He's not gonna be scared no more. Crew chief Adam's gonna learn how to set valve lash. You can't be a crew chief without learning how to do valve lash. You can't cut down trees unless you know how to tie running bowling or still bowling. I don't know, I'm only teasing. I'm gonna let you do it right now, Adam. I'm gonna teach you right now. That way he's comfortable with it. Okay, don't be a kid, The thing is, you're smart too, but you can't let everybody do it. So if it's got 40 or 50 thou lash and something's maybe your spring broke, blitzer's going away, and then holler at me, yo, we're gonna have to snug this thing down. We're gonna get this thing to work this round. We're gonna win this round, but tonight later on we might have to pull ahead and put a blitzer in the hole. Mark whatever hole, like on the valve cover or something that was, or write it down, that was loose. Or if you got one extremely tight, that means like if we were to get a cylinder extremely hot, like if the driver stopped working or the injector stopped working, the hole got real hot, more likely it's going to want to tool up an intake valve some, so we're going to lose lash. So the valve's going to have no lash at all. You're going to go and like I had to back the adjuster nut out 4 turns. So this one is closing. So when the intake is almost closed, remember intake, if you ever question which rocker arm is what, that's near the intake runner, that's facing the exhaust. So you know that that's the exhaust valve that's opening to the exhaust port. Okay. All right, so come over here. So what you're gonna do is you back this off a hair, just back it off a little bit, get it to go in there. Now let's feel that a little bit, that's a little loose. A little loose. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get it snug, to me. Now, you're gonna bump the motor over real easy.
Did you already do this one?
This one's done. Did not do this one. So you bump the motor over easy so this one goes, just starts to open. It starts to open. Now always try to let the motor, the exhaust air that hasn't gotten through the exhaust valve yet kind of see through, because sometimes I don't want to kick back on the starter. I don't always wait, but just don't always let it be full of compression, you know what I mean? There you go, starting to open. Now check that one. You're not gonna get it in there yet. You have to back it off. Now the nut is already loose, only because Billy left everything where the push rods, you can just roll them with your fingers, where there's zero lash. A little more. Money.
Man, this baby sounds good.
It does. I love this thing. It runs so nice. Doesn't smoke or nothing. I love
She
this.
sounds beautiful.